Hey there and welcome to ATG. In this video I am going to explain the next effect in Audacity. So the next effect in Audacity is change tempo. So let's start here. What is the use of change tempo in Audacity? First of all, you need audio. So here I am going to record my voice. Hello everyone. This is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So let's see how is the recording. Hello everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So now select the audio, go to the effect and you will see this effect here, change tempo. And here you can increase or decrease the value of tempo. So basically the use of tempo is to change the speed without changing the pitch of voice. Okay, so let's see how it works. Here I'm going to increase the value of tempo. Okay, and see the result. Hello everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. As you can see, the pitch of voice is not changed. Only the speed of voice is changed. So, and now let's see what happen if I decrease the tempo. Okay. Hello everyone. This is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So here you can see the difference between before and now. And I hope you all understand very clearly. And so that is for today guys. Here I'm stopping this video and thanks for watching.